to our exploration of external influences on consumer behavior. In our last lecture, we discussed the powerful role of culture and subculture in shaping our preferences and choices. Today, we delve into the two more significant external factors, social class and reference groups. Social class refers to the hierarchical division of society based on socioeconomic status. It is a complex construct that encompasses income, occupation, education, and social connection. While the concept of social class may vary across cultures, it is a significant factor influencing consumer behavior globally. Reference groups are individuals or groups that significantly influence our evaluations, aspirations, or behaviors. They serve as a point of comparison and provide guidance for our attitudes, beliefs, and actions. Reference groups can be formal, for example, clubs, organizations, or informal, for example, friends and family. They can have a positive or a negative influence on our choices. How social class influences consumer behavior. Social class affects our consumption patterns in various ways. Conspicuous consumption. Individuals in higher social classes often engage in conspicuous consumption, purchasing and displaying luxury goods to signal their status and wealth. Status symbol. Certain brands and products become associated with specific social classes, acting as a status symbol that individuals use to signal their social standing. Taste and preferences. Social class can influence our taste in fashion, food, entertainment, and other lifestyle choices. Different social classes may have distinct preferences and aesthetic values. Access to resources. Individuals in higher social classes generally have a greater access to resources, enabling them to afford more expensive products and services. How reference groups influence consumer behavior. Reference groups influence our consumption patterns in several ways. Normative influence. Reference groups establish social norms and expectations that guide our behavior. We often conform to these norms to avoid social rejection or gain approval. Informal influence. Reference groups provide information and recommendations that help us make informed choices. We often rely on the opinions and experience of others to evaluate products and services. Value expressive influence. Reference groups can reinforce our values and self-image. We often choose products and brands that align with the values and lifestyle of our reference group. In the age of social media, the influence of reference groups has become even more pronounced. Online communities, influencers, and peer reviews play a significant role in shaping consumer preferences and choices. Understanding the impact of social class and reference groups is essential for business. By recognizing the aspirations, values, and social dynamics of different consumer segments, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies and product offerings to appeal to a specific group, fostering stronger connections and driving sales. In our next lecture, we'll explore the influence of family and household dynamics on consumer behavior, delving into how our closest relationships shape our choices and preferences.